You guys are waiting for the ladies. They're shopping right now.
Yep. Waiting forever.
Peto pe Uluwatu Temple. Tuna pe tuin gai nun be ya madeng. Tanta kuta cho chinu na.
Ta.
Right.
First time in that.
Ta.
First time.
Monkeys are here.
They smelled pretty good last night, right? They didn't smell that bad.
No, not like the way they smell. Can they smell us?
I don't think so. I don't think they're like dogs where they come and sniff you.
That's disgusting.
Are there people inside that still shoot away the monkey?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, you have? Yeah. That is gross.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, up there.
Grandma, I'm going at the same speed as you.
Grandma's laughing at us because we're going slow at her pace.
This is a high stereo. I'm going. Yeah.
Daddy, what's down there?
Trip.
I think she's married.
Look at all these chickens.
Okay, Ben, come take a picture of me and Grandma. This way. You need to stand over here. Come on, turn, Grandma.
Move, Dad.
You got the background?
Let me get up first.
Move, Dad.
Ganyan, no?
Okay. If you don't want to go there, you stay here with Grandma. We're just going to walk down the street.
Đó là Uluwatu. Bây giờ tàu chưa kế tôi kéo.
I want a shot right here. Oh my god.
No, don't. Oh, you can't, yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of like I have to stand here for you to get. Okay, I'll do it myself.
Oh, it's these flowers that smell, yeah.
Yeah.
Those things smell really good. That smells really good.
Hello. Do something? Right there.
Oh, there's two.
Right there, she just said right there. Go ahead.
All right, mommy.
Okay, Dad.
Oh, so hot.
It is super duper hot.
Nice one. I'm done, guys. It works like, yeah. everywhere.
Somali.
走过来。Right there. Oh, it's right there.
He's licking his asshole. No, babe, that's too much work.
Do it. I'm gonna try this one first. Yeah, it actually hurts my calves more, buddy.
Is it a lot of stuff over there? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Hold on. Ito Uluwatu Tannah Lot. And play. The family. Come back, take a picture. I didn't record that. Do it again.
Why don't you have your phone in your pocket?
I forgot.
Here.
They all look like this. Better temple. Cat, come over here, you guys.
Love and the shit where she goes, she plays. Okay, I gotta hide my rose. Are you not taking a picture?
I will. Hold on.
Taking a video? This is weird. You can't take a video of us standing. Nobody does that. Nobody does that.
Dad, you have to do a selfie.
Nobody does that. Nobody does that.
Okay, let him take a picture.
Okay, come here.
He didn't record it.
Oh, this is it. Yeah?
Around. Yes, turn around. 叫什么 soup 呀？哦，no， the gimbal。Hello。Hold on, guys.
Oh, honey. She's right here, baby.
Okay, you want one of those things? What is one of those things? Ash, grab it.
These?
The brown things. Let me hold it. Bring it over here. Let me see. Turn it this way. I just wanted to see it. Hold on, Ash.
I'm only
Okay, Cat. Can you go grab that with that? I just want to see what it is on the camera.
Grab that with it.
Just for the camera. Oh.
Ooh, they got. Oh no. Is that actual ice cream? No.
Mommy, I only need one, but they come in a pack of 3.
Yeah, and that's why you can give to your 2 best friends
Yeah.
if you have any.
I don't have any. I love how you guys say if I have any.
Why would they sell that?
Do you buy it?
Weird.
I think Dad should buy one, the one of the can
What, a can opener?
No, I know, but they have it in can openers.
Hold on.
Hello, nakama?
Yeah.
What? Yeah,
That's
ice cream
disgusting.
coconut?
I touched that.
No.
Oh, that's for your
Yeah,
head.
just this one.
Okay.
You buy a lot of them, so
Yeah.
you put your head on. Those look good though. Not even gonna lie. But
At least they know how to keep the stock on. So.
我要不喺度傻啦嚇！我就不喺度傻啦。Cody, what's in that store right there? Let's go over here. Spoil yourself one more ice cream.
Where are we going?
One more ice cream.
You did not work this off. Okay. You go there. I'm gonna go get myself a popsicle.
There you go.
Okay. This is packaged.
Nice shopping today.
Ooh, their variety is bigger than.
I want the cone over there. I want the sugar cone.
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together.